Meaning of europium.
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 Europium. Europium is a chemical element with the symbol Eu and atomic number 63. It is a silvery white, highly reactive metal that belongs to the lanthanide series of elements. Europium is primarily used in the production of fluorescent lamps, in particular, those used in television and computer screens. It also has applications in nuclear reactors and as a neutron absorber in nuclear technology. Europium has no known biological role, but it has been suggested to have potential therapeutic uses due to its ability to bind with certain proteins.